of Draupadi's hair. And that subtle point is the role of Viveka Buddhi. Viveka Buddhi that sublimates marine vasana, impure vasana into pure vasana. The impure vasana, that aspect is Dushasan. And Dushasan's blood is purification of impure vasana. And when that impure vasana is removed, Shubha vasana begins to develop. So that's when the Draupadi has fulfilled her mission. But while in this stage, she is the inspiration behind all the Pandavas and their army. Therefore, she goes on scolding Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, Sahadeva, always showing her hair. If you take it real politics, it will be ridiculous. Can you ever imagine? Millions of people lined up to be destroyed because a lady will not dress her hair. No way can you justify it. It's a completely allegory.